Hello, and thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you how you can change the default setting for when you open Word, Excel and PowerPoint files within Teams. Welcome to another 2-minute tutorial. Let's see if I can beat the clock. When you open a file up in Teams, it always tends to open up within the Teams window, as you can see now. And then you can also click on Opening Desktop at the top, and it will open your desktop. If, however, you're like me and would like it to always do something and never open in Teams, hit the 3 dots and you'll have Open In, which has Default for Teams, PowerPoint Desktop App, and Browser. This is a one-time choice, or you can select Change Default. This only works for Word, PowerPoint and Excel files. So at the moment you can see mine is set to default in Teams. You can select Desktop App or Browser. In the Desktop app, it'll only work for this device. All other devices will open up in Teams as a default unless you change that. And then you select Save. And to show you it works, I'll hit Password, and there you go. Each and every time I open up an Excel, Word or PowerPoint file, it will open up directly into my desktop.